I first met Peggy 25 years ago, and she was a new convert to dental implants at that time. And I have a feeling that when you hear what she has to say tonight, you'll agree it's been a terrific experience for her. So
Right.
Peggy, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, it was. I had just, everything was brand new at that time.
Right.
Finally got done. You know, it took 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And couldn't be happier, and I'm still that way.
Wow.
Of course, now it's smooth sailing because all I have to do is go in and have them cleaned.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So tell me about your life in the last 25 years, and I don't want all the gory details, but at least as how it relates to your dental implants. Tell me what the experience has been like.
I'm always talking about my implants.
You are.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I take them out and show people, you know, and they think, well, why do you do that? But I mean, I got to show off his great work.
Why don't you tell our audience tonight about what your experience has been?
Well, after I got my work done, Ron used to have seminars on once a month, and so I used to go to those, and he would have people there for free examination and X-rays, and I'd talk to those people, and then I would show them what he did for me, and it was so much easier that way than just hear somebody give a speech. And then one time I experienced this lady had gone to see Ron, and she had just moved to San Diego, and she was depressed because there was as Dennis said, that all these problems she had. So Ron took examination, and he told her, there's not a thing wrong with your teeth. Go home and live a happy life. And that is just a good example of how honest he is. And I've over the years have seen heard of other periodontists, and their prices are outrageous. And not only that, but Ron he's always late because he always gives the patient all the time that they need. And he's a people person. Plus, he's very honest. And if there's a problem, he's creative enough to find this solution.
Let's talk about that for a minute, because Ron has said that technically you have quite the implant system in your mouth.
Yeah.
And he says that actually your teeth are removable and yet extremely functional. Tell us about that. Don't take your teeth out, please.
It's very convenient. It's easy to clean. And I get my teeth cleaned every 3 months, and everything is just beautiful now.
So even though they are removable, they are fully functional as though they are permanent.
Yeah. Occasionally, I have to, there might be one of those little gizmos, the little clips might wear out, and they have to put that. But they can do that in a matter of minutes. So I've really got the gravy train now, because I only have to clean my teeth, and that's it. No big promises. No. Well, everything is just perfect.
You seem like a happy person.
I am.
You have a lot of self-confidence. Obviously, I would guess that your dental implants have done a lot for your appearance and the way you feel. Everything?
You don't go around with no teeth.
Right.
I had 9 teeth in my mouth when I met Dr. Barbanel. And so he took over from there, and we went one step. 2 years later, I had everything.
So you've gone from 9 teeth when you met Dr. Barbanel to what we see today.
Yeah.
Show us that. Wow. Those are beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, they are. And people don't even know it, except my big mouth. I got to brag about Ron, though. He's one in a million.
So tell us about Dr. Barbanel, your personal experience in working with him, and how he makes you feel, and how his staff does a good job for you here.
His staff is good, but he's the one. And this is just like giving Novocaine. Nobody can give a shot like Ron can. And when I had this periosteo up here, I had 100 stitches in the roof of my mouth, and I was so swollen that it was hard for anybody to get those stitches out. So I told Ron, I said, I can't come back anymore for a while. And he says, well, just come on in, I'll take care of it. And boom, 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 and they were all out. He's the only one that can, he works his magic.
He is an out-of-the-box thinker when it comes
Oh,
to that
and
kind
creative. If something's wrong, he'll find a way to do it. Remember when Dr. Turner, you scared him a few times. He did one procedure on me, and Dr. Turner says, "Have you done this before?" And Ron says, "No, I never did it before." You remember that, Ron?
The question I have is, were you laughing about it then? When he said,
No.
"I've never done it before," right?
Oh, no. But there was a big solution at the end, and I was really happy to see that we were going to get there.
You seem to be a great advocate for
I am.
yeah, for not just Dr. Barbanel, but for your teeth and for your entire experience here.
Yeah.
If you could quickly sum up what you might tell somebody who is thinking about getting dental implants from Dr. Barbanel.
Well, I would just, again, show them what I've got. That's 25 years old, and go down and see the man, and they will never regret it. I would feel very insecure if he ever retires, because there isn't anyone like him.
You know, Peggy, cost is a barrier to a lot of people when they are considering dental implants. Dr. Barbanel works hard to make his dental implants very affordable. How important was that to you in your decision?
Well, when I had neglected my teeth. I was embarrassed to go see a dentist because I neglected the gums. But then when you get to the point that you can't go and you can't be seen out in public with just gums, then I decided that I wanted a periodontist, and I was lucky he was the one that was in Turner's office. And it got to the point it was beyond money. It was my life, because I still had a few years left, and
I got a feeling we'll be here in another 25 years. Yeah. Related to cost, there are all these cosmetic dentists who are promoting dental implants, and it's very easy to spend $50,000, $60,000 for a new smile. Obviously, that's not what you've spent, but yet I know for a fact that it's still not been an insignificant investment on your part.
It was well, at the time seemed like a lot of money, but then as the time's gone by and the expense and everything, it was a drop in the bucket compared to what it costs now.
And so no regrets.
But I'd do it again.
Wow.
Because what else have you got?